Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at a new product. This is actually the Ranvoo 2-in-1 bubble flosser and electric toothbrush. And right now it's going to be like on sale like for $165. So let's go through some of the features and the specs of this thing, because what it's giving you is not only are you able to brush your teeth with this device, but it's actually going to give you the ability to floss at the same time. So let's go through some of the specs on here. So it does seem like it comes in the white color and the gray color. It also is $165 right now. It does have a pressurized air chamber with Coanda design brush. Head removes up to 96.85 plaque. And so it's got a Microbubble technology that offers 3 times denser bubbles for gum care, 22,000 low frequency pulsations per minute, preventing gum recession. And then it's also got that zero point 0.01 millimeter ultra fine soft brush bristles that are gentle on the gums, SIC nano anti mold coating for long use. And then it's got a magnetic suction wall mount for wireless charging. It comes in the gray and the white. We're going to take a look at it right now. I'll leave a link down below so you could actually pick one up if you do decide to check this out in more detail. But we're going to unbox it, and then I'm going to actually pause the video, start using it for a few, a couple of times. I'm going to be using it, and then I'm going to get back with you and let you know what I think. So if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. So it says bubbles make it clear. On the back, it says deep cleaning, deep teeth cleaning, comfortable gum care, full nano coating, full body nano coating, pressure sensitive touch screen, easy charging, and ultra long battery life. So that's pretty much what you need to know. And it says right here, I have the gray one. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box and, kind of see what comes in the box. We're going to test it out and everything. So I already have one actual, toothbrush that I use that is electric. And so I'm definitely looking forward to checking this one out to kind of compare it to that one. So let's go ahead. You could peel the tape off right here. The box on this side, there's nothing in this side, but you can see right here, it does say Ranvoo with the logo right here as well. On the bottom, it has like these little holes right here. So it has like a little screen right down there. At the top, you have this little piece. So you actually get 2 brushes that you can use. Let's go ahead, pop this off. So number 1 and number 2, let's go ahead and get number 1 ready so we can install that and use it. You also do get your user manual, which is going to walk you through everything that you need to know about it. And then the scan, so you get an extended warranty, a one-on-one exclusive customer service, and soft copy of the user manual. It does come with this USB-C to USB-A, and then you get a little charging station right here. So you have your little wireless charging station. This is actually magnetic, and it has like a little thing right here that can stay onto the surface that it's on. So it's meant to actually, an adhesive that you can remove and actually mount onto, um, the surface. And you also do have a Type-C charging with a wireless pad right here. So when you put the toothbrush on top of it, it's going to charge wirelessly. So that's actually pretty cool. So that's everything that comes inside the box. As far as turning this on, there's basically no buttons on here, but I just pressed the screen and it vibrated. So it says soft. So 1 tap, it stopped. The screen is very, it's not, you can't really see the display on here. It's very hard to see, but it does say soft right there with the battery is about 75%. It's going to promise these things. So it's going to promise deep cleaning, ultra long battery, comfortable gum care, easy charging, full nano coating, and pressure sensitivity. As far, I can't remember the last time my mouth has felt this fresh after brushing my teeth. So yeah, this thing is definitely going to do a good job. I definitely felt like the bubbles when it came to the technology that's included in here. It's basically like this bubble technology um, in one use, and it feels like I just left the dentist right now. So yeah, it says 2-in-1 bubble flosser and electric toothbrush. So it's basically giving you a floss as well as a cleaning at the same time. So this is going to be pretty solid if you're the type of person who just wants better oral care, in your life. Then I could definitely say that this is going to be a game changer because it's also going to save you time. Like I have a water pick, which is also good at eliminating, like it's good at flossing. The water pick is kind of like a deep clean, which will basically get to certain areas that like floss can't. So this toothbrush is actually a water pick and a toothbrush at the same time. So it's actually 2-in-1, and it's going to save you time. You don't have to do both in the morning because I know sometimes that's kind of time consuming. But this one has both of the features packed in, the flossing and the brushing, and it has the ultra long battery life as well. So I'm going to put this on the charger. It's actually in the bathroom right now. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this. I also do like that it comes with a spare brush, and so it does come with a 2-pack inside. You can get a replacement brush for $12, which isn't bad at all. And then you can get a new toothbrush by itself for $148. And oral care set 10% off. But let me know what you guys think about this. Overall, I definitely think that this is going to hold up to the claims that it states as well, because I just did a cleaning minutes later. It still feels like I just brushed my teeth. So yeah, this is going to be pretty solid. It's going to have that wireless charging, and it's going to have really good battery with the screen. And another thing I noticed is that when I had it in my when I was brushing, there was a mode in there where I could hear like a pulse, and it was kind of giving off a vibration, and that vibration, each mode on here has a different vibration, so you could kind of feel the sensitivity. It's the cleaning mode, the whitening mode, and then it has the soft mode. So yeah, all three worked very well. But if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later.